Hello and welcome back to Bias Bounty 101 for Beginners. I'm Christy Arbogast from Humane Intelligence. In our last video, we tested our new prompts. Today, we're finally ready to submit everything for the challenge and officially be entered into the competition. All right, so we are back into the grading notebook that we were using in the previous video. Here, under the beginner grading section, we will run the code to read our CSV file from the previous video and to save it as a data frame. Then we'll run the code to calculate and print out our numerical grade. Then we'll run this code block here, which will save our grade as a text file, which will appear in the left-hand panel over here under Folders. And again, you will click the three dots next to the file name to download to your computer. Next, we will go back to Hugging Face and you will log into your account. Then underneath your profile picture up in the top right, you will click on it and you will click New Model. From here, you will name your model whatever you want. I'm going to be naming mine Bias Bounty 1. Make sure that your model is public. Then within your model, click on Files and Versions. And then on the right over here, you'll click Add Files. This is where you'll add in your text file that has your grade stored in it. And you'll also add in your CSV file that includes the LLM responses and labels that we created in the previous video. This is very important. Your file must be named prompts_responses.csv. Now we'll go back once again to the Humane Intelligence website down to the Dates section. And you'll click on the link that will take us to the submissions portal. Next, you'll create your account on Vercel, and as you can see, I already have one and I'm logged in. You will click on your profile picture down here, and this is where you will click to make sure that your Hugging Face account is connected. Now you will go over to Competitions, and you will click on Beginner. Here you will then select New Submissions. Under Challenge, we will select General Submission, and then under selecting a Hugging Face model, you will select the model that we created previously. And once you do this, it will then look for these file names here. All right, well, congratulations, everyone. We are done with this tutorial series. Be sure to check out the leaderboards to see how everyone else tackled this challenge. Final winners will be announced in August, and you can watch all the other videos in this tutorial series on the Humane Intelligence website under Resources. Thanks so much, everyone. It's been fun.